All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and start the pull now. Again, we're doing double line, 2 snatch block to the bottom, ready to go. And we're gonna probably turn the idle up for this one. Okay, ready? Not a lot. Keep going. Yeah. On this one, tell him to turn, he needs to turn to the left. Gotta go left. Real light, right there. Okay. Leave it right there, don't move the tire. And then we're gonna do the same thing, just not tons of gas. We want it to have a little bit of power, but enough to walk it out. We don't want it to hurry up and take off and hit me, okay? Okay, ready? So it'll be a light gas. Okay, hold on. Yeah. There you go. Told you to do it. Are you impressed that old bugger got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect, and then what I'll have you do is turn far left all the way over. That way you can swing and do what you got to do. Yeah, okay, so let me get all unhooked from the back side of this, and then we'll go from there, okay?
I feel like it was so fast.
What's that?
I had faith in her. I just didn't like she do it that fast.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, he's a little too much gas, because I'm like, well, all it started doing was it was starting to just pull up ruts, you know. So you're good, man. We're good. We got it done, though. Hell yeah. So just like that, you know, you get them ruts running. Disconnect everything now. That's a 2-line pull right there. 2-line with chain around the axle, rear axle. So I didn't want to have to go do a 3-line pull, but if I had to, it is what it is. You know, that's where obviously the dynamics change of everything. So we're gonna idle down and then see what's going on with this. Disconnect all the lines right now. Just shows, kind of proves to you that these old iron trucks, they still put in their due diligence, I'll tell you. But I knew that it could pull it. My line ain't the best, but it's enough to get this big old rat undone. If you could look down there, that's what we pulled out, was a huge, large essentially a school bus. So, but yep, a little bit of rigging, a little bit of this and that, gets the job done. It's kind of how we like to do it. So again, having all the right equipment always pays off, because you always want to make sure you come out and make sure to, you know, having like 2 snatches and chains and all the other extra stuff, that always pays off. getting under here, getting this thing undone. Some simple stuff in essence, but you know, the untrained eye, it's not always the easiest things to do. But this shows you a little more of the expertise of some of us old hats can get bigger stuff undone. Now, if it was in straight mud, probably have a little bit of an issue with it. But Scotch blocks work wonders, I'll tell you. They work wonders. I've been contemplating going to a synthetic line, but maybe I'll wait till the cable gets so old and starts to break up. But it's not too bad of a condition. I got a little bit of hair on it, but not bad enough to be you know, scary, or you know, where you put yourself in danger. Not like that. So I also got to get permission from the my casualty if I can be able to put this on YouTube, you know. But he said that the help was probably about a couple days out or so, and you need a couple days when you can get this thing done right now. All in all, you know, I mean, I told you guys already a long time ago, this is what I like doing. Got to work the licensing, obviously, and we'll get back. Like I said, I'll talk to the casualty and see if he's okay with being on film, as well as the female. So there's a campsite that's just out here that's we noticed there's a lot of trash out here, you know, and it's kind of crazy because I'm like, why, you know? Then he explained a little bit better why it's so trashed out. It has a lot to do with the fire from last year. A lot of the people that were in this area were forced out. Then there's a lot of people who are just staying here because they really have no place to go. And when they got forced out, they didn't have a choice. So again, this is lightning towing. So let me move my truck up and get the Scotch blocks out from under there. It did pull my truck a little bit to the rear, but it is what it is, you know. Yeah, Scotch blocks. Man, I'm so happy to have these. If anybody doesn't know about Scotch blocks, shit, you in the wrong game. Well, out here in the forest, you gotta have it, or even in any winching situations, it's good to have Scotch blocks, because then you link right up to the tailboard, and then you drive over the back of this angle iron, and the chain tightens up to the back like so, and pulls down on the tailboard, pulls the tailboard down, and that gives you your winching power. It also stops the truck from sliding. But now you've seen it on a 36-foot school bus. We're able to pull it out.